She is a force of nature. You will find her at the transition of life and death, destruction and rebirth. She holds the power of true transformation. You can feel her in the howling of the wind, rustling through the branches of an ancient forest as the leaves turn their color to gold and brown, crumbling to dust. You can feel her in the roaring thunder shaking the air, exploding with a bright lightning strike, setting the sky on fire. You will know her by the kiss of the flame, wandering over the surface of the earth, erupting from deep down below, melting stone. And out of the ashes she gives birth to new life, like a red-eyed phoenix spreading her wings into the open sky, driven by the force of her own blood. She is the darkness surrounding the light, the void of the unconscious. As she gently lays the veil of death upon his face, she will take him inside of the underworld, within her womb. She is the source of chaos. Her love dissolves him into shapelessness as he enters into a great metamorphosis, finding love in the middle of our pain, until all that is left of him is the essence of life. He has become one with the heart of the universe, which is the source of light, the central sun. This is the alchemy of life, where he and she are truly one. And as she lifts the veil of death over his face, he will set the intention for new shapes of life, exploding out into space. She is the space between stars. In truth, we never leave her sweet cosmic womb, not for a single moment in time, forever caressed by her mother love, carrying his creation into fruition. This is the beginning of a new season of life. Her spirit is like water. Let her flow. She changes with him as he learns to hold her tides of emotion safely in the palms of his hands, as she softens into his loving embrace. Her healing waters will pour down from heaven, saturating the soil for a new seed of life to grow. She is like the ocean, made out of tears. She just is. He must learn to let her waves of creation carry him wherever he wishes to go. She teaches him to be synchronized with the cycles of nature. She is everything and nothing at all. We are she.